Right, this is a Robinhood Supertub 2 laundry tub video. This tub's about 16 years old and you're thinking, yeah, wow, that's in great condition, isn't it? Yep, everything's swiveling, it's all working well, looking good. But no, this is what it used to look like 2 weeks ago. Robinhood Supertub 2. What a mess. Yep, this is what happens when you don't maintain your O-rings. Then you get leaks, and the leaks carry on for years and years and years. And then you're wondering why the tap faucet is sticking. And it's really about maintenance. We should have been really keeping an eye on the O-rings. You've got your O-rings in here. They're all seized up, leaking out. They should have been lubricated, really. It just shows you what can go wrong. You've got to keep up with your maintenance. It all got very rusty. It started leaking. But Robinhood supply you, if you're lucky, with a new one. $65 from Plumbing World. So you've got to take the whole laundry tub out. You've got to pull it away from the wall to replace that back panel there. So there we go. This is a bit of a before and after. And there it is. New mixer and new back panel. Now you can get the part number. The part number's here. That's where you'll find your part numbers for your Robinhood Supertubs. And I do like this model. You've got taps, hot and cold. The only thing that really perished as well was the back drain. The water was leaking through here, but dripping down the inside of the stainless steel under the sink. And I've resealed this with gasket sealer behind here. And again, you can only really do this if you take it away from the wall. You have to pull it out from the wall. It's normally screwed. We've got it screwed at the bottom to the wall. Yeah, so there we go. The wife loves it. The sink, it's like new again.